Hello, my name is Data. Hope you're doing well. So I've seen you guys are watching those videos on the North Pole and what's going on up there. So I thought I'd investigate a little further, dig a little deeper, and I've discovered Hyperborea. What is Hyperborea? Well, it is depicted in this very old map. This is hundreds of years old at least, and it was done by Mercator, but we'll get to that in just a little bit. This shows the 4 islands at the top of the world that some believe to be Hyperborea, which in Greek mythology was known as the land to the far north of the world. It was so remote that ordinary people couldn't even go there. It was thought of as an earthly paradise of eternal youth and abundance, but it was so far away, only demigods and gods like Hercules could go there. It was very far away and very inaccessible to many people. This probably goes along the same lines as some of the Atlantean myths, what's been going on this planet. So I think some secrets can be revealed from this map. If you notice the 4 corners, they all have circles depicting different items. So I'll go to the bottom right, Septentrio, Nalivum Terrarum de Scripto. So that kind of translates into just Sep. Tentrio means the north. Nalivum means the navel. Or if you remove a couple letters, it could mean the ship. Terrarium means world, and de means about, and scripto can be registration or writing. I used an S instead of the F, and it came up as writing. So the north, the naval world, about writing or registration. That's what this map is about, and it's by Gerardum Mercator. So that is interesting. The navel of the north is depicted in this map, and in the translation, that is what I'm picking up. So there's a lot of mystery in this particular map, to be sure. I want to head over to another section of the map. I want to decipher this. I'm probably going to have to make this into a several-part video. So I'm going to move over to the top now, and let's take a look at one of those. So I'm going to the top left of the map, and this is going to be really fun. You guys are going to be blown away about some of the translations that are on here. So let's start with Frif Lant Infulum. Infula. So if I just take Frif, that means cold. Lant means let, or infula could mean inflating. But if you use all the words in a complete sentence, it comes out to they are blowing in the wind. So that particular image, that island, they are represented as they are blowing in the wind, which is really fascinating. Now, some of the names of the actual cities, and if you can notice, they have like red dots, or they're red highlighted, and they look like cities. Those could probably just be capital cities or main cities in that area. And I want to focus your attention to the bottom. Venai. That means I came. Direct translation. Venai means I came. And then next to it is the word Osibar. Otsibar. And that translates directly to I killed. And then to the right of that is the word Sorand, which a direct translation of that is sister. And there are, I don't know if this is a correlation, but there are myths and tales of Medusa coming from the north. So I found those 3 words very fascinating, so I kept going, and I'm going to give you a few more. Up in the top, there's Kabaru. That means cabaret. I'm looking at Sanef Tol, and that means of course. La Deva is on there. You can see that on the left, little island. That means a little while. And Spagia or Spagia, that translated directly into spades. And down at the bottom is Aneles, which I removed the center line and used Anne and S, and that came out to RU. And at the bottom there's Monaco, which translates to a monk. So it's possible there's a story to be told. If we can decipher these words, there's definitely going to be two more corners that we're going to be checking out here. So if you're into mysteries, what this map is saying is definitely a mystery. Was Hyperborea there? Where was it? What is it? Did it really exist? Does it still exist? I have no idea, but I'm going to keep checking this out. I'm going to go translate some of the other ones. I'll put this video together, and then we'll see you in the next one. This is mind-blowing. Have a great day.